Good morning, dear children. Welcome back. In today's session, we will do the evaluation of Class 7, Unit 1 in History, New Religious Ideas and Movements. Come, children, let us learn. Roman number 1, choose the correct answer. Who of the following composed songs on Krishna, putting himself in the place of Mother Yashoda? Who of the following composed songs on Krishna, putting himself in the place of Mother Yashoda? The options are Poigyalvar, Periyalvar, Nammalvar, Andal. The answer is Periyalvar. Question number 2. Who preached the Advaita philosophy? Who preached the Advaita philosophy? Options are Ramanujar, Ramananda, Nammalvar, Adi Shankara. The answer is Adi Shankara. Adi Shankara preached the Advaita philosophy. Question number 3. Who spread the Bhakti ideology in northern India and made it a mass movement? Who spread the Bhakti ideology in northern India and made it a mass movement? Options are Vallabhacharya, Ramanujar, Ramananda, Surdas. And the answer is Ramananda. Question number 4. Who made the Chisti order popular in India? Who made the Chisti order popular in India? Options are Moinuddin Chisti, Suhrawardi, Amir Khusru, Nizamuddin Auliya. And the answer is Moinuddin Chisti. Question number 5. Who is considered their first guru by the Sikhs? Who is considered as their first guru by the Sikhs? Options are Lena, Guru Amir Singh, Guru Nanak, Guru Gobind Singh. And the answer is Guru Nanak. Guru Nanak is considered as their first guru by the Sikhs. Moving to Roman number 2, fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Periyalvar was earlier known as dash. Periyalvar was earlier known as dash. Answer is Vishnu Chittar. VISHNU-CHITTAR. Vishnu Chittar. Question number 2. Dash is the holy book of the Sikhs. Dash is the holy book of the Sikhs. Answer is Guru Granth Sahib. Guru Granth Sahib. GURUGRANTHSAHIB. Guru Granth Sahib. Question number 3. Mirabai was the disciple of dash. Mirabai was a disciple of dash. The answer is Ravidas. 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 Question number 4. Dash philosophy is known as Vishishta Advaita. Dash philosophy is known as Vishishta Advaita. Answer is Ramanuja. RAMANUJA. Ramanuja philosophy is known as Vishishta Advaita. Question number 5. Gurudwara Darbar Sahib is situated at dash in Pakistan. Gurudwara Darbar Sahib is situated at dash in Pakistan. Answer is Kartarpur. 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 Roman number 3. Match the following. Pahul, Kabir, Ramacharita Sikh, Sri Vaishnavism, Abdul Wahid Abu Najib, Grandhavali, Guru Gobind Singh, Suhrawardi, Tulasidas. The answers are Pahul, Guru Gobind Singh, Ramacharita Tulasidas, Sri Vaishnavism, Sikhs, Grandhavali, Kabir, Suhrawardi, Abdul Wahid Abu Najib. Roman number 4. Find out the right pair or pairs. Options are Andal Srivilliputtur, Tukaram Bengal, Chaitanya Deva Maharashtra, Brahma Sutra Vallabhacharya, Gurudwaras 6. The answer is Andal Srivilliputtur, Gurudwaras 6. Question number 2. Assertion. After Guru Gobind Singh, the holy book Guru Granth Sahib became to be considered the Guru. Reason. Guru Gobind Singh was the compiler of Guru Granth Sahib. Option A. R is not the correct explanation of A. R is the correct explanation of A. A is correct but R is wrong. Both A and R are wrong. And the answer is A is correct but R is wrong. Find out the odd person. Poigi Alvar, Bhudattu Alvar, Peri Alvar, Andal, Namma Alvar. The answer is Andal. She was the only female Alvar. Roman number 5. True or false? Sufism was responsible for the spread of Islamic culture. Answer is false. Question number 2. The best known Sufi sage of the early medieval period was Nizamuddin Auliya of the Chishti order. The best known Sufi sage of the early medieval period was Nizamuddin Auliya of the Chishti order. True. Question number 3. Guru Nanak is considered the first Guru of Sikhs. Guru Nanak is considered the first Guru of the Sikhs. Answer is true. Question number 4. Sufis believed that realization of God can be achieved only through passionate devotion to God and intense meditation. Sufis believe that realization of God can be achieved only through passionate devotion to God and intense meditation. Answer is true. Question number 5. The basic Tamil Saivite sacred canon consisted of 12 books. The basic Tamil Saivite sacred canon consists of 12 books. Answer is true. Now let us see Roman number 6. Give short answers. Question number 1. What do you know about Tirumurai? What do you know about Tirumurai? The answer is, it is a basic Tamil Saivite sacred canon. It consists of 12 books and 11 of them were assembled by Nambi. The 12th book is Sekkiyar's Periya Puranam. I repeat, it is the basic Tamil Saivite sacred canon. It consists of 12 books and 11 of them were assembled by Nambi. The 12th book is Sekkiyar's Periya Puranam. Question number 2. How many Nayanmars were there and who were the prominent among them? How many Nayanmars were there and who were prominent among them? Answer. There are 63 legendary Nayanmars. Among them, Gnanasambandar, Appar, Sundarar, often called as Trio, are worshipped as saints through their images in South Indian temples. There are 63 legendary Nayanmars. Among them, Gnanasambandar, Appar, Sundarar, often called as a trio, are worshipped as saints through their images in South Indian temples. Question number 3. How did Guru Nanak help to found Sikhism? Answer. Guru Nanak nominated his disciple Lena to succeed him as the Guru. Following this present, the successors were named by the incumbent Sikh Guru. Guru Nanak nominated his disciple Lena to succeed him as a Guru. Following this precedent, the successors were named by the incumbent Sikh Guru. Question number 4. What was Tukaram to do with the Vidhoba temple of Pantarpur? What had Tukaram to do with the Vidhoba temple of Pantarpur? Tukaram, a 17th century saint poet of Maharashtra. He is devoted to Vidhoba, an avatar of Krishna. There is a Vidhoba or Panduranga temple at Pantarpur or Pandaripuram in Sholapur district, Maharashtra. What is Chaitanya Deva to Bengal as Tukaram to Maharashtra? Tukaram, a 17th century saint poet of Maharashtra. He is devoted to Vidoba, an avatar of Krishna. There is a Vidoba or Panduranga temple at Pantanpur or Pandaripuram in Sholapur district, Maharashtra. What is Chaitanya Deva to Bengal as Tukaram to Maharashtra? Question number 5. Highlight the spiritual ideas of Kabir that appeal to lower classes. Highlight the spiritual ideas of Kabir that appeal to lower classes. Answer. As a Muslim, Kabir came under the influence of Varanasi-based Saint Ramananda. He accepted some Hindu ideas and tried to reconcile Hinduism and Islam. He opposed discrimination on the basis of religion, caste and wealth. Kabir believed that God is one with different names and forms. Question number 7. Answer in detail. Give an account of the contributions of exponents of Bhakti movement in the southern as well as northern part of India. Answer. Vaishnavite saints, 12 Arvars. Example, Poigi Arvar, Bhudat Arvar and Pei Arvar. Saivite saints, that is 63 Nayanmars. There are 63 legendary Nayanmars, among them Jnana Sambandar, Appar and Sundarar, often called the trio, are worshipped as saints through their images in South Indian temples. Adi Shankara, he preached Advaita philosophy. Shankara enthusiastically endeavored to restore the orthodox Vedic tradition. Ramanuja, a Vaishnavite saint, was a most influential thinker of Vaishnavism. In the 16th and 17th centuries, Vaishnavism spread across India. He established centers to spread his doctrine of devotion, Sri Vaishnavism, to God Vishnu and his consort Lakshmi. Mirabai, wife of the crown prince of Mewar, was an ardent devotee of Lord Krishna. Chaitanya Deva popularized Krishna worship through aesthetic songs. Tulsidas, he retold the story of Ramayana in Hindi. Question number 2. What is Sufism? How did it find its footings in India? What is Sufism? How did it find its footing in India? Answer. Sufism. The word Sufi takes its origin from Saf, meaning wool. Sufis wore coarse garments made of wool and hence they were called Sufis. Sufism in India. The advent of Sufis to India dates back to the Arab conquest of the Sindh. It gained prominence in the 10th and 11th centuries during the reign of the Delhi Sultans. Sufism adopted many native Indian concepts such as yogic postures, music and dance. Sufism found adherents among both Muslims and Hindus. Sufis in medieval India were divided into 3 major orders. They were Chishti, Suhrawardi and Firdausi. Moinuddin Chishti made Chishti order popular in India. His resting place is in Ajmer Sharif Dargah in Ajmer, Rajasthan. Question number 3. What impact did Bhakti movement make on Indian society? Answer. Vedic Hinduism was regenerated and thus saved from the onslaught of Islam. The Islamic tenets, unity of God and universal brotherhood emphasized by the saints, promoted harmony and peace. Bhakti was a movement of common people. It used the language of the common people for its devotional literature. Bhakti movement opened up space for Indian languages to grow. It stimulated literary activity in regional languages. What sustained Sanskrit despite its decline during this period was the support extended by the rulers of Hindu kingdoms. Tamil was the only ancient Indian language that remained vibrant during this period. Caste system and social discrepancies came to be criticized. Roman number 8, Hearts. Examine the statement that the Bhakti movement saved Vedic Hinduism from the onslaught of Islam. Answer. The Bhakti movement emphasized the mutual emotional attachment and love of a devotee towards a personal God and of the God for the devotee. The Naimars and the Alvars composed devotional hymns in Tamil language. These poets or saints criticized caste-based social status and advocated gender equality. The religious movements of the 14th and 15th centuries in northern India, one has to keep in mind the two very different attitudes towards Islam. With that, we wind up today's session, my dear children. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe youtube.com/Samachir Kalvi Guide. Thank you. Stay blessed.